see there. That's us. And that's off the west coast of Africa, that's Morocco. And it's 4:30 in the morning. And I'm on a catamaran. What? Let me start from the beginning. So Vermaine and I both quit our jobs. We sold most of our belongings. I did my last flight in the Delta. Hello? Does this work? I don't have a plug-in thingy so I can speak through my headphones, so I've just got my shotgun mic. Hopefully it'll work, but this is probably my last empty flight. Yeah, empty. This is probably my last empty flight. We drove down to South Africa for 3 days, and then yeah, in South Africa we did our HTCW courses, includes like firefighting. Personal watercraft, powerboat level 2. And now we're doing a delivery from the Canary Islands all the way back to Palma de Mallorca. It's about a 1,200 mile journey. It'll take us about 10 to 14 days depending on the weather. So here I am on a yacht. Let's show the people that's never been on a sailboat before how it's like when it's not on Instagram.
When it's not all
Sunshine, selfies,
drinking champagne,
yes.
And old one old guy with a big belly and 8 girls.
And you have to have the golden chain.
Yes.
A golden chain and a big watch.
Yes.
This is without the image stabilization. Now you can see because it's not stable. The GoPro's got image stabilization in, so it makes it more smooth. So I've taken it off now. So I'm sure it'll show more the motion of the ocean.
Yeah. Just sleeping, that you feel what it is not on cam.
No. I'm gonna try and make myself some breakfast, some muesli and yogurt without the image stabilization on. So let's see how this is gonna go while sailing. Like I said, everything is a bit more tricky. So first we need bowl. Maybe we don't need bowl first. Bowl can stay. We have to generally bring our fridge so it stays closed. So on the first night we were sailing, and the next moment the whole area just lit up and the fridge opened up. Okay. When you open the fridge, you must make sure you got everything out before you have to tie it down again. Okay. Got yogurt. Muesli. Muesli, yes, see. Now we can do the bowl. Now the tricky part comes, because now you can't just put stuff down. Once it's combined or like sort of made, now you can't just leave the bowl anyway. And I have to find like a little spot And you have to look at it for a few seconds to make sure it's actually moving anywhere. And then quickly loosely back. Spoon. See what I mean? Like everything is a little bit more. Alright. Everything takes a little bit more effort to do. It's always good to have like 3 points of contact. Alright, 1 scoop, 2 scoops should be fine. But that's actually quite a good spot. Now I quickly have to put yogurt back. Undo the fridge. Make sure everything doesn't fall out of the fridge. Lock the fridge. And this, you have to do all of this while going up, down, left, right. Moving. And there you have breakfast. Well, using yogurt's the easiest breakfast. When it comes to coffee, it gets a bit more trickier. Shit. Okay. So what?
Oh, Capitan! Capitan is losing the control.
Are you cooking up a stove?
Some guacamole.
Guacamole. Now, Capitan, what are you making?
Crap! Crap! Rap! 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 Rap!